What up with the YouTube? I go by the name TK, Trendsetter, Trent, whatever you want to call me. And if you tapped into this video today, it's probably because you want to learn how to make money, specifically from flipping shoes on StockX. So I'm gonna show you how to do that today, and I'm gonna tell you how. See, most of these people, they get on here and they tell you in the background, you know, to research this and that, but nah, you could take action today. So I'm about to show you how to do that. We just gonna jump right into it. Forget all that like and subscribe stuff. But so go ahead and download StockX on your phone. So here it is for me. You know, it's pretty simple. It's the 21st century. We know what we doing. Download the app, create an account, and just start scrolling. So what I recommend is tapping into some shoes that you really have not knowledge about, but at least a passion about. See, for me, it's just like I look for fashion and something that I will wear, so I will be excited to sell it, right? Right now, I'm looking at these three low top ones right now. So I'm looking at the Royal Toes, I'm looking at the White Black Mystic Greens, you know, another 6 shoe that I think has potential, and finally the Black Toes. So it's like you can never go wrong with red, right? So when I click on a sell, I just look at the chart, look at the data chart. So this is for the Black Toe Reds. You can see the data. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but it's going up. It's trending up. And when it's trending up, it's obviously a good sign. But when it's trending up too long, basic knowledge will tell you it's going to come crashing down. But that's the first thing you need to understand with flipping shoes. It's a long-term game. It's not just like any quick cash type of thing. This is actually a legitimate industry, and prices fluctuate just like any market. The highest bid right now is 180. The lowest ask is 194. The most recent high point is 190. So they're trying to up the high point by $4, but the last sell was 174. So that's for the Black Toes, meaning that it's a lot of pressure. The market's trying to figure itself out with that, but you can't go wrong with those Black Toe Reds, because it's like, it's red, it's a classic, it's Black Toe. It reminds me of classic Michael Jordan, just in a loop. But what I'm more interested in is the White Black Mystic Greens. That's these babies right here. Not your typical colorway. The last sale was at $206, and the lowest ask right now is for $175. You look at the data chart, it goes up and it goes down, it goes up and it goes down. So basically, right now, it's the value of what buyer. So I'm thinking about the things that are trending right now, the colors that are trending. And you know, for me, green and black, this color combination, it's just sick to me. So like, I got an eye on it. So the lowest ask is 175, the highest bid is 155. I actually bid it on this and then canceled my bid. So I bid it 165 on it, and I canceled it because I didn't think dude was gonna sell it, and then he ended up selling it for 165. So I should have waited on those. But it's at 175 right now. I might bid on them again, but I'm afraid that last 206 is a little bit too high. So I would be willing to make a long-term investment on this one, because it's like, if you buy it at 175, it's immediately gonna drop. Like, they're not really that valuable right now, is what I'm saying. So I don't know, but I'm all about long-term investing. And the last with the Royal Toes, last 136. The only reason I say that is because these ones just dropped recently in a high top form. So the highest bid is at 130, the lowest ask is at 137. It was up and down a lot, but then it's leveling out, is what I'm saying. So it's not really much potential in those right now, but I do expect these to shoot back up as well. And like I said, you can't go wrong with any Jordans. So the how. If you have, everybody has $200 laying around somewhere. If you don't, you have a credit card, I'm sure. So you have to be willing to take the risk and just go ahead and make the big boy purchase and get in the game. Once you get in the game, it's gonna start fueling you, and you start learning from your mistakes. So, I mean, research, you can do all that, and all that sounds fun to do, but everybody's experience and everybody's situation is different. So you have to just be willing to put your money where your mouth is, and more importantly, put your money where your passion is. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna bid on one of these and keep you all updated to see if I can get one of these, and if I can make a future video on how long it takes me to get off them. So thank you for tapping in. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I got more coming for you guys. Thank you.